Before you apply for another job in Luxembourg, watch this, because one of the biggest mistakes job seekers make is applying for jobs without knowing the employers behind them. And that mistake could be costing you opportunities. In today's video, I'll show you 7 Luxembourg employers and the sectors that foreign workers should be paying attention to. I'll explain how the work permits actually work in Luxembourg, and I will also be showing you why Luxembourg continues attracting job seekers from around the world. And trust me, one of the employers on today's list is connected to a sector that many people completely overlook. Now let's get right into the video. If you're new here, you're always welcome, and to the returning subscribers, you're all amazing. Now let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever searched jobs in Luxembourg, then spent hours scrolling through vacancies? You apply, you wait, nothing happens, then you apply again and still nothing happens. Now here is the thing, the problem is not always your CV. The problem is not always your experience. Sometimes the problem is that you are applying without even understanding where opportunities actually come from, because jobs come and go, but employers continue recruiting, and that's why understanding employers is so important. Now, before we talk about the employers, let's clear up something important. Many people think they need sponsorship first. That is not usually how it works. In most cases, employers would hire because they need workers. Then, if they decide that you're the right candidate and the position allows it, the permit process would follow. And that's why I always tell people, don't spend all your time searching for sponsorship. Spend your time understanding employers and the sectors, because the stronger your application, the better your chances of getting noticed. Now, I have a quick question for you. If you received a genuine Luxembourg job offer in a couple of 3 months' time, would you move to Luxembourg immediately, or within 6 months, or after saving more money? I want to know in the comments. Okay, now let's start with the first employer. It is called CFL Multimodal. Now, if you're interested in logistics, warehousing, transport, supply chain operations, or even distribution related opportunities, this is one employer you should be paying attention to. One thing I like about the logistics sector is that it continues growing across Europe. Products are constantly moving. Businesses need distribution networks all the time. Warehouses would always need staff, and operations would always need support. And that's why many job seekers continue looking at logistics related employers. Now, depending on the role and your qualifications, positions connected to this sector might include warehouse operations, logistics support, supply chain functions, transport coordination, and administrative support. Now, this is something very important you should know. A lot of people spend all their time searching for sponsorship. But remember, what we talked about earlier, the job usually comes first, then the permit process follows. And that's why your focus should be finding employers operating in sectors where demand exists. And logistics remains one of those sectors. Now, don't go anywhere, because the second employer on today's list operates in a completely different industry and attracts attention from people looking at healthcare opportunities in Luxembourg. So the second employer is called Servior. Now, Servior is one of the largest providers of care and support services in Luxembourg, and it is a name many healthcare job seekers pay attention to. Now, if you're interested in healthcare support, caregiving, elderly care, nursing assistance, residential support, or related services, this is definitely an employer worth researching. Now, depending on the role again and the qualifications that you've got, opportunities in this sector can include care assistants, nursing support roles, healthcare support workers, residential care staff, administrative support. One reason many people pay attention to healthcare is because of the demand. Demand remains consistent. People need care services every day. Healthcare facilities need workers every day, and that's why healthcare remains one of the sectors many international applicants continue watching closely. Now, depending on the role, salaries in this sector can often range from around €2,500 to €4,500 per month, or even more. especially for qualified healthcare professionals. Now, let's move on because the next employer is connected again to one of Luxembourg's strongest industries. This brings me to the third employer, which is called ArcelorMittal. ArcelorMittal. Don't worry, I'm going to be leaving the link to this employers. I'll be leaving the names on the description. Okay, the names of the employers in the description so that you can look them out, look them up, check them out. Okay. Now, ArcelorMittal is one of the largest steel and manufacturing companies in the world, and because of the scale of its operations, opportunities can exist across multiple departments, including engineering, manufacturing support, technical operations, maintenance, logistics, administrative functions. Now, if you have a background in engineering, technical trades, or even skilled trades in related field, production, manufacturing, mechanical work, or industrial operations, this is a sector that you should be paying attention to. Now, depending on the role and your level of experience, salaries in manufacturing and industrial sectors can range from approximately 3,000 euro to 6,000 euro plus per month. And that is one reason many of skilled workers are continuing looking at Luxembourg because of these opportunities. Don't skip the next employer I'm about to mention, okay? Which is the number 4th one, and it is called Luxair. Now, most people know Luxair as an airline, but airlines require much more than pilots. So they need people working behind the scenes every day. Depending on the department, opportunities can also include customer service, airport operations, ground support, administrative functions, technical support, and engineering related positions. And because aviation connects directly with tourism, transportation, and even business travel, this one remains an important sector in Luxembourg. So you should be paying attention to this as well. Now, depending on the role, salaries can vary significantly, but many positions in aviation and airport related services would often start around 2,500 euro to 4,500 euro per month, and also increase with experience. Now, before we move on to the next employer, let me ask you something. If you received a genuine Luxembourg job offer today, what would be your biggest reason for moving, and what sector are you looking into? Let me know in the comments. I genuinely want to know what motivates most of you watching this video. This takes me to the employer number 5. This is called Post Luxembourg. Now, many of you think this company only handles mails and deliveries because you heard it is called a post, whatever. Now, Post Luxembourg is much bigger than just delivering mails and letters. The company operates across Luxembourg, across telecommunications, technology, customer services, logistics, and communications. Now, depending on the role, opportunities may include customer support again, technical services, administrative support, operations, logistics, IT related positions, and again, this is why many people keep an eye on large organizations like this one. So you have to keep making your research here because this is where you should be looking. For those of you looking for visa sponsored jobs and work permit support, relocation support, this is where you should be looking at. These are the sectors and employers you should be targeting. Okay, now they often recruit across different departments and skill levels depending on the role. I'm talking about Post Luxembourg. Now, depending on the role, the salaries can range from around 2,800 euro to 5,000 euro per month. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the final 2 employers because one of them operates in a sector that people also completely overlook. Employer number 6 is called Bati-C Enterprises. Now, this one is about construction. One thing many people don't realize is that Luxembourg continues investing in infrastructure, housing, commercial buildings, and development projects. And when construction projects increases, employers need workers. Depending on the role and your experience again, opportunities in this sector can include construction workers, skilled trades, electricians, plumbers, site support workers, project support staff, and technical workers as well. Now, if you have experience in construction, maintenance, building service, or skilled trades, this is definitely a sector that you should also be looking into. One thing I like about construction is that skills are often transferable anywhere. So if you've worked on projects before, many of those skills can be valuable across different employers. Now, depending on the role and your experience, salaries in construction and skilled trades can range from approximately €3,000 to €6,500 per month, even above that, especially for experienced workers and specialized trades. And because construction remains important to Luxembourg's growth, this sector would always continue to attract foreigners, international workers. Now, let's move to the final employer on today's list. It is called Amazon Luxembourg. Yes, I know you might be surprised. Yes, Amazon. Now, before anyone gets excited, let me be very clear. Not every position is open to every applicant, especially international workers. Okay, most of the time they don't sponsor or provide work permits. They only recruit those already in the country. Okay, and not every role will fit every background. But Amazon remains one of the most recognized employers operating in Luxembourg. Depending on the department, you might find opportunities in operations, logistics, supply chain, customer support, technology, engineering, or even business support functions. And because Amazon operates at a large scale, many job seekers regularly monitor opportunities through their career platform. This is especially very true for people interested in logistics operations, technology, and of course business-related roles. Depending on your role and of course experience, salaries can vary significantly again, but the positions may range from approximately €3,000 per month for some operational roles to substantially higher salaries for specialist and professional positions. And that is why a lot of applicants keep their eye on Amazon. Okay, I'm talking about Amazon Luxembourg. Now, final question for everyone, if you've made it up until this point. Out of all the employers we've discussed today, from CFL Multimodal to Servior, and then to ArcelorMittal Luxembourg, and to Luxair, Post Luxembourg, Bati-C, and Amazon Luxembourg, which one would you research first, and which one are you most interested in? I want to know in the comments. Comment the company name below. Say you are interested in this, and let's see how we can help you move forward from there. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully you now have a better understanding of some employers and the sectors that foreign workers are paying attention to in Luxembourg. Remember, the goal is not to apply randomly. The goal is to understand where opportunities may exist and to help you focus your efforts strategically. And don't forget what we discussed earlier. In most cases, employers hire because they need workers. The job offer would come first, then they decide if they want to sponsor you or provide you with relocation support for the work permit. If you've made it all the way to the end, comment Luxembourg 2026 so I know who watched until the finish. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up so that YouTube recommends this to other audience, and also I want you to like and share. Okay? Thank you all for watching, and until then, take care and keep moving forward. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.